The Mscomctl library DLL causing a library mismatch means you need a stable fix. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and let's repair your environment variables. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Mscomctl library, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Mscomctl library, the Windows Common Controls ActiveX library. It provides unmanaged COM interfaces for legacy 32-bit UI elements like TreeViews, ListViews, and ProgressBars. It manages the orchestration of window message loops and facilitates the data link for VB6 and legacy C++ visual manifests. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. To ensure the file is correctly registered, reinstall Visual Basic 6.0 Common Controls. You'll need both the x86 and x64 Visual C++ installers from Microsoft's website to complete this repair properly. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Mscomctl library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. A restart won't fix a broken registry pointer, so follow these steps to manually register the file now. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, type regsvr32 followed by your file name causing the error, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, even with the file in the correct folder, a missing registry pointer prevents the loader from recognizing it. This step manually establishes that critical system reference. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Safety first. Never attempt to replace Mscomctl library DLL with files found on random download portals. These sites lack quality control and often distribute files that are incompatible with modern Windows updates. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. To reduce startup overhead, the suggested system resource below includes information on managing Mscomctl library. If this fix repaired Mscomctl library dependency issue, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure and stable PC.